Hello, this is Greg Allison from Green Greg's Garden and Worm Farm, coming to you with a tip on Johnson grass. Johnson grass is a big enemy to the gardener because it grows like crazy and reproduces in two ways. One, this is Johnson grass. Man, this stuff grows like corn. It kind of reminds you of corn. It even has tassels on the top, but it don't make any corn to eat. I got to get rid of it before those seeds start spreading out of here, because it can spread from those seeds. Also, what you need to know about Johnson grass is it has roots that can spread from, ribosomes. You have to pull those out of the ground. You got to get all that out of the ground you can, because every little place on that could sprout up a whole new thing of Johnson grass. So when you're pulling it up, pull the roots out, get them out good and deep. Get all the Johnson grass out. This may not be Johnson grass, but I think it probably is. Yeah, see that? That's the root. That's Johnson grass. It's even growing here in the wood. Look at that long tuber. It's got these roots. Now look at that. Get all of that out that you can. Pull it all out. You see how long that is? That's what was left over in that other one. Look at that. So you got to really pull that stuff out. And to show you, get a whole bunch of this if you can, and just keep pulling at the root level. Shake the dirt out. You don't want to lose the dirt. And I bet there's still some ribosomes in the ground there. There's one right there. You got to chase these things down and get them out. There it is. That thing. I saw another a minute ago. Where'd it go? So I'm digging in the dirt to get this ribosome. There, pull up a whole nother plant with it. Just pulling the root. You see that? Look at that. That's what you gotta do to get rid of Johnson grass. If you just snap it off at the top, you're gonna get a zillion more of these popping out. You ain't controlled it at all, and this stuff grows really fast. That's why you gotta get it at the root. If all that comes up is plants, you ain't done. You ain't at all done. Just got these ribosomes in the ground. You gotta get all that out. Sometimes it's best just to get it started. You just go ahead and reach in the ground. And it may take several times to get all this stuff out. I'm not pointing the camera well, but I'm really busy pulling this stuff up. Can't pull it together my right hand. I fell on my left right shoulder yesterday. I'll try to do that if I can. See, I'm reaching back down the ground because I know there's more down here. There we go. So I knew when I just pulled up the grass top that I left something down in here. That's what you got to do with Johnson grass. You got to get down. You can probably use those little claws, garden claws, rakes. But you know what? I can't feel through those things. My hands do a lot better job of getting this stuff up. All right, so I got to get all this Johnson grass up here, so I can try to reclaim my garden from the jungle. But that's a good tip right there on Johnson grass and how to get rid of it. And it's probably going to take 2 or 3 years or longer to get it out of this garden once it got started. Last year, it don't take 1 year of slight inattention to your garden for it to get away from you. So you got to prevent that. Hope you enjoy my channel. Be sure to click subscribe. Bang the update notification bell below for future videos. I got videos on lots of subjects. Just scan through my channel and you'll see. And support my channel. Click the links below. I sell worms and ship them year around with no problem. And I also greengregs.com for seeds to plant your garden. True Leaf Market, great heirloom seeds and all kind of seeds that really support you in your gardening efforts. And also, if you want to prep for bad times ahead, check out my Patriot Supply below. Thank you for watching.